Welcome back to another YouTube video, guys. Today, we'll be speaking about the latest transfer news. I just want to say thank you guys for the support, for subscribing, for liking. Yeah, so let's get straight into it. Latest transfer news, 7 more days to go. So yeah, first topic would be Manchester City, Enzo Fernandez. Manchester City remain interested in Enzo Fernandez and are expected to return with another attempt after previously failing to meet Chelsea's deadline bid. Chelsea's reported valuation for Enzo Fernandez is around about £120 million. Chelsea are simply not looking to sell Enzo Fernandez unless they are able to replace Enzo Fernandez and if the amount is fair. So Chelsea are looking at midfielders, but who would be the perfect replacement for Enzo Fernandez? You know, he's a World Cup winner. He just played in the latest World Cup finals. So it would take a lot for Chelsea to sell Enzo, but I think this deal does get done, guys, before the end of the transfer windows. Alex Scott of Bournemouth could be on Chelsea's list. Chelsea are willing. I do see it. If Chelsea do sell Enzo, Chelsea would go all out for Alex Scott, who is a brilliant player. I watched him over the weekend against Manchester City. He's a player I wanted Liverpool to buy. I thought when Iraola came to Liverpool that we would actually go in for Alex Scott. I think that the price range about £70 million, 75 to 80 million would get it done. Chelsea are also looking at Manu Kano, Adam Wharton as well. Those are good replacements, especially Adam Wharton being Premier League proven already. So yeah, what do you guys think? Would Alex Scott, Adam Wharton be a replacement or an option for Chelsea should they sell Enzo Fernandez? Then guys, Julian Alvarez, Atletico Madrid. Watch out for that one, guys, as well. Arsenal are definitely monitoring. Reports today is that Arsenal could reignite their interest after the pursuit of other attacking targets. So Arsenal remain a club to watch. There are no confirmed agreements yet with Atletico Madrid, but Arsenal are still in it. The match over, I think it was on Friday night, with Alvarez walking down the tunnel immediately. So there's some tension, guys, tension. So Arsenal are looking for a striker, an attacker. So watch out for that one as well. And then, guys, another one. It's a Liverpool player, Cody Gakpo. Reports from last week, Tottenham have agreed personal terms with Cody Gakpo, but Liverpool are only willing to sell him if we replace Cody Gakpo. If we get at least two wingers. Barcola is on the list, Mbaye and Minter. And then reports from last night is that Manchester City have also entered the race for Cody Gakpo. Cody Gakpo, he's a stats merchant. Not brilliant on the eye, but he scores goals, guys. So I'm surprised that Manchester City are actually interested in him. But yeah, it looks like the more teams are coming for him. if he leaves, Liverpool definitely have to sell. Have to buy or replace him. So, yes, guys, those are the latest transfer news this far. So, yeah, like I said, I'll be keeping you guys updated with the latest transfer news. So, yeah, thank you guys. Please subscribe, like the videos, leave a comment, guys. Please, please. We'll be dropping another video, myself and my son. Watch out for that video. I'm going to be testing his ball knowledge. So, thanks, guys. Like, subscribe, and share. We out.